like I say, end of the wall, that's where they come to anyway.
Swansea, Cardiff,
Going.
attention, go! Okay.
Good phone. Okay, it's a clean start, they're moving off. Neck and neck on the first 100. They are very close. Cardiff being warned across. Makes it more fun. Makes it more fun, doesn't it? Cardiff have a canvas lead.
Cardiff, move to starboard! Flag's upside down.
Oh, a little bit of clashing going on.
Cardiff, move to starboard!
The bow girl of Swansea. Cardiff have been warned, they've moved over. Swansea coming back through. They are now level again. Not for long. Coming up to the S-bends. They are level, coming up to the S-bends. Yeah, Cardiff will win this now. That was fun. Cardiff are putting a push, taking a half a length lead, coming into the start of the bend. Cardiff maintaining the push to 3/4 of a length.
Swansea, maintain your station!
Yeah, why would you cut over that? On the first part of the S-bend in Cardiff's favour, they've moved out to a length. Cardiff rowing nice and cleanly now. They've really relaxed it out after the madness of the start. They're much longer than Swansea and they are moving away, although the next bend is in Swansea's favour. You're not saying half of what I'm saying, are you?
It's me.
Basically, mate, Cardiff are miles ahead and I'm going to try and make some stuff up to make them more interesting. Oops. Don't say that. So, Cardiff they have about
3 lengths.
a length of clear water, Cardiff have, but the bend is in Swansea's favour. Cardiff have gone very wide around this corner. Swansea are clawing something back. They're coming back to overlapping. No, that's true.
They are.
Okay, we've come out of the S-bends, we're onto the final straight. Cardiff putting in a big push now and they're just eking out an inch at a time. Yeah, they are moving away nice and cleanly. They have 2 lengths lead. Swansea put in a great push to try and win it back on their corner, but just couldn't hang on to Cardiff. A little bit of cheering going on the banks. A couple of locals running down, giving some cheering. Okay, we're inside the bridges now. Cardiff are just maintaining a nice and easy 3-length lead. I don't know if he's actually taking down the microphone, but...
Well, what you can do is give him information.
Cardiff extended to a 4-length lead as we come up to the bridges. Cardiff are rowing for it just nice and smoothly. They've relaxed it out. Swansea are still going for it. Cardiff are coming up to the first bridge now. First load of supporters on the side. They've got about a 5-length lead now. Dude, you've got to try and say half of what I say, otherwise it's not interesting. Come on, put some words into it. Give the people something they want to hear. Three girls not even pulling their arms in.
God.
Okay, Swansea are coming through the first bridge. Cardiff are approaching the second bridge. In sight of the Cell Bridge now. So I'm going to hang up and you can take over commentating. They're 7 lengths ahead.
Right, 7's a bit much.
I don't know, that's quite a long way.
Yeah.
He's going that way, we'll go through the middle. I'll make sure Dave's launched for the next race. I'll have 2 umps.
God, look at all these people.
That's good. Yes, Swansea!
Impartial.
Absolutely. You've got to have some fun with it. It's not a big
Yeah, I know.
series, is it? So,
It is to them.
oh, it is. Yes, Swansea!
It's about bang on with the times. It says 6.5 minutes. Right. Am I going to get the first flag?
Listen for the air horn.
Oh, they got air horn, haven't they?
I think so. What's the verdict?
I don't know. I'll tell you in a minute.
There you go. Got it?
Yeah.
You got something to write all these things down?
6:20. I've got it on there.
Nice one.